Check out this 2-bed, 1-bath home. Located in the desirable eastside location of Edgewood Grove subdivision and situated on a corner lot. The home features lots of updates. The roof, siding and HVAC system were all replaced in 2019 with new laminate flooring, paint, refrigerator and gutter guards in 2022. The large living room leads into the bonus room with a peaked, wood-clad ceiling. This is the perfect space for a home office, craft area or playroom. The kitchen has space for a dining table and leads into the laundry room. The laundry doubles as a utility room and offers additional storage. The home is steps away from the Heritage Trail and a short walk to Deming Park or Memorial Stadium.